Uttarakhand's healthcare transformation is a shining example of resilience and innovation in the face of challenges. With the government's focused efforts to upgrade infrastructure, implement comprehensive healthcare schemes like Ayushman Bharat and utilize digital technology, the state is ensuring healthcare access for all, even in its remotest corners. Take a look.
Uttarakhand, with its majestic Himalayas and rugged terrain, is a land of beauty and challenges. Providing healthcare to its remote communities has long required innovation and resilience. However, the Uttarakhand government has been turning this challenge into an opportunity by continuously working to strengthen healthcare infrastructure and services. From upgrading hospitals with state-of-the-art facilities to ensuring every citizen benefits from government healthcare schemes, effective measures are being implemented to enhance healthcare accessibility across the state.
स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं 2014 से पहले बीमार थी। आज हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में भी अभूतपूर्व रूप से विकास तेजी आगे हो रहा है।
The Uttarakhand government has effectively implemented central healthcare schemes while successfully executing its own state-level policies. These include the Ayushman Bharat scheme, Atal Ayushman Uttarakhand scheme, and the state government health scheme, which provide free treatment and health insurance benefits to economically weaker sections of society. Through the Ayushman Bharat scheme, millions of beneficiaries in Uttarakhand can access free treatment at over 26,000 hospitals nationwide.
हमारे को आयुष्मान कार्ड से जो है तो सर एडमिट होना डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल चंपावत में एडमिट हुए थे। आयुष्मान कार्ड से हमें पूरा इलाज फ्री हुआ और चाची की जो हाथ पाँव में दिक्कत थी उसका पूरा इलाज जो है तो फ्री में हुआ और मैं सरकार का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
मैंने अपनी मदर को आयुष्मान कार्ड के थ्रू एडमिट करवाया है, जिसमें निःशुल्क इलाज की पूरी सेवा है। ये कार्ड अप्लाई होने के बाद जितनी भी मेडिसिन्स हैं, जो भी सर्विस है, वो फ्री में, मतलब निःशुल्क सेवा है इसके बाद।
So far, around 2.5 lakh patients have benefited from this scheme. In this digital era, the Uttarakhand government has further empowered healthcare services by implementing the Ayushman Bharat digital mission. Now, citizens are being provided with an Ayushman Bharat health account ID, which ensures their medical records are securely stored digitally. So far, approximately 6.9 million Ayushman Bharat health account IDs have been created.
आयुष्मान भारत जो स्वास्थ्य योजना है उसमें उत्तराखंड सरकार ने पहल ये की है कि जब से ये लागू हुआ था उसमें हम लोगों ने यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग लेके चले हैं। इसका मतलब ये है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति जिसके पास बेसिक राशन कार्ड हो वो एलिजिबल हो जाए।
The government, in collaboration with NGOs and similar organizations, has launched a unique initiative to provide free dialysis services to those in need. This initiative not only brings quality healthcare services closer to patients, but also eliminates the need for them to travel to big cities for treatment.
मैं यहाँ पे डायलिसिस करा रहा हूँ 2 साल से और यहाँ पे सर बहुत अच्छी सुविधाएं हैं हमारे लिए, खासकर क्योंकि हम देहरादून में इतना वो नहीं कर पाते, खर्चा इतना सहन वो नहीं कर पाते, तो सर जब से यहाँ पे खुला हमारे लिए काफ़ी सुविधा हो रही है।
To provide better healthcare services, promote medical research and develop new treatments, the Uttarakhand government is establishing medical colleges. For example, a government medical college is being constructed in Pithoragarh, which will benefit not only local students but also the general public by providing advanced medical facilities. Currently, Uttarakhand has 276 active hospitals, including both government and private institutions. The government has also taken significant steps to equip government hospitals with modern medical facilities. For instance, CT scan facilities are now available in almost every government hospital, saving both time and money for the people.
पहले यहाँ हॉस्पिटल होने के बाद भी लोगों को बहुत दूर दूर जाना पड़ता था छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए, जो आज की डेट में चंपावत जिला अस्पताल में लोगों को मिल रही हैं तथा हर चीज़ की सुविधा यहाँ उपलब्ध है।
Through these innovative efforts, the Uttarakhand government is driving a transformative revolution in the state's healthcare sector. The effective implementation of government schemes, strategic use of digital technology, and delivery of high-quality healthcare in remote areas are strengthening Uttarakhand's healthcare infrastructure. These measures not only enhance healthcare facilities for citizens today, but also lay the foundation for a healthier future for the people of Uttarakhand.